Story time with Fergie and friends.
Hello, story time, Fergie and friends, and here we are. Yes, mums and dads, aunts and uncles, granny and grandpa, reading goggles on. Here we go. The Bravest Boy I Know. Pictures by Sujin Rim. This book is dedicated to all the people who teach us to share the joy of words and stories. This book is dedicated to all the people who help us keep us healthy so we can learn and grow. This book is dedicated to friends and family who love us for who we are. This book is dedicated to United Nations Secretary General Ban Ki-moon for putting education first. I could not agree more. Thank you very much. This is my friend Kendi. Hello, Kendi, the bravest boy I know. We like to meet under our favourite big tree. Yes, we've been a lot on trees. I think trees are so important, aren't they? We go to school together and learn lots of things. We run and play football, and once the bell rings, oh, I wonder what happens. What happens when your bell rings? Sometimes we picnic down by the lake. Kayla brings fruit and I bring cake. Oh, how nice. We like to sing and dance, and when it's rainy or sunny, we like to talk and laugh and just be very funny. Beautifully drawn. Kendi is living with HIV, and that's okay with me. My mum makes sure I take my medicine twice a day, and after I do, I like to say, now I am as strong as an elephant, or an ostrich, or as fast as a cheetah, or a giraffe. Oh, yes. Wait. Oh, as brave as a lion. Oh, I don't have a lion with me here today. Oh, I have a doggy Ginger. But sometimes I feel sick, and I have to say I feel sleepy throughout the day. That's when we lie on the grass and just watch the clouds, or sit and read quietly away from the crowds. I am happy. Kayla is my friend. She tells me again and again. What a lovely book. You are as strong as an elephant, as fast as a cheetah or an ostrich, and the bravest boy I know. Yes, I think you are the bravest boy, and well done, Kayla. That's so nice of you. What a lovely book by Sujin Rim. Thank you so much. What a lovely book, and for sharing it.
With Fergie and friends. With Fergie and friends.